Well, Governor Andy Beshear gave his daily update on the coronavirus this afternoon. And while the number of new cases, that was the highest reported yet in a single day, the governor says the state is still trending lower than some other states. And here's a look at those latest numbers. Right now, there are 1,149 confirmed cases of the virus in Kentucky, and 7 more people have died. That brings the number of COVID-19 related deaths in our state to 65. The governor continues to encourage Kentuckians that the efforts we're taking are effective in stopping the spread of the coronavirus. But as we go into Easter weekend, he has a new warning for churches that ignore social distancing guidelines. With Easter approaching, let's go now to Katie Collins for more about that.
That's right, Nancy. So with Easter approaching this weekend, the governor has issued a bit of a warning. He says that he's heard reports of churches who plan to hold in-person services, but he says he will take action, or the government will take action, to prevent those services from happening. Now, he says he'll have more information on what that action will look like tomorrow, but he says in-person services could risk hundreds of lives. Now, he did thank the majority of faith leaders who he says have done the right thing by not holding in-person services. Now, he also says action could be taken to break up any large gathering, not just religious services.
So I believe it's in part on that congregation not to come, but still. I mean, I don't want one decision that somebody makes because somebody tells them it's a test of their faith to ultimately put their life in danger.
Today, we also learned that the pilot drive-through testing program here in Frankfort has been put on hold because of a lack of personal protective equipment and swabs. The governor continues to ask for anyone who has those items to please donate them. Live in Frankfort, Catherine Collins, Evening Edition.